Hi, I'm Deb, your Get Set Up guide. It feels like every year the price of food jumps, and not just by a little bit. Do you wonder how you can eat healthy without emptying your wallet? Do you sometimes feel like the choices that are best for your budget aren't really good for you? Wise investing in good quality whole foods pays dividends in a healthy body and fewer health issues like diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. In this session, you're going to learn about healthy eating guidelines so that you'll be able to zero in on what eating means for you. You'll explore online resources that will help you make a nutritious meal plan and find the best value for your dollar at the grocery store. In this session, we'll also look at a few recipes to give you inspiration for making your own healthy meals. Alice and Annie recently took the class and they were inspired to explore what was already in their pantry to make delicious, healthy meals at home. Eating healthy and delicious meals on a budget doesn't have to be an impossible dream. With some taste-tested recipes, a little bit of planning, and some smart shopping, you'll have what it takes. I hope you'll join me for this session and be part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up.